to my channel. Wow, it has been so long since I actually sat down and filmed a video for you guys. Over the last couple of weeks, just a little bit of a life update for you. I moved flats, so as you can see I've got a little bit of a different background going on. And I didn't have any internet, and I had some old footage as well which I just wanted to upload for you guys. When you haven't filmed for a couple of weeks, you kind of feel a little bit rusty. I don't know about any of you YouTubers out there that feel and do the same, but yeah, just, I don't know, giving me the wobbles. Because I haven't actually sat down and spoken to you guys since the new year, I really hope 2018 is going super well for you so far, and yeah, that it's just going to be the best year for you. So going back to Christmas, I actually received a fabulous gift from my sister. She knows me so well, and I got the, now I really struggle to actually pronounce this, as always with most things, as you know, I got the Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance? I don't know, please correct me on this one because I just, yeah, I don't quite know how to pronounce this. Modern Renaissance, something like that, palette, and oh my gosh, am I loving it? Yes, I am. Over the last couple of months, I felt like I've just been sticking to what I know, and I've been really happy with the makeup that I've got, so I haven't felt like trying new things. So this is actually probably like the newest piece to my makeup collection, but I really just wanted to share with you and do like a review on it. I know it's not exactly new anymore, it's probably like a year or so old, but yeah, I just really wanted to give you my take on the palette itself because personally, I absolutely love it. Now, in regards to the packaging, I think this is definitely the most funnest kind of like palette I think I've ever had. I love this pretty blush colour, nailed the colour, and it's like this gorgeous velour-y kind of velvet. So if you're one of those people that don't like velour-y or velvety type feels, then maybe not for you, but I personally love it. Have you ever seen the film Get Him to the Greek? And Russell Brand is going, stroke the furry wall. That is how I feel about this palette. It's got all the nice feels. And for the big reveal, ta-da! Wow. When I first saw this palette, I just was like, oh my gosh, this is just the perfect timing as well for autumn and winter. And to be perfectly honest, I wear a lot of these colours anyway, as you all know. Now this is what it looks like on the inside, and wow. Isn't it just beautiful? Now, first of all, the biggest surprise for me is the pigment. It's just incredibly pigmented. I mean, I've got nothing on my fingers right now. I just do a little rub and it comes straight off. I really like all the brownie kind of orangey colours. All of these would make really pretty daytime pieces, and also are really good to blend all of these gorgeous colours, which can create such a nice smoky eye. I feel like it's fairly similar to the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, but I really like this one. I think compared to the Heat, this has definitely got better colours to kind of like blend with. I feel like with the Heat, it's just got all the good definition colours, but not like a good base colour as well with it. Whereas this, I feel like you can create probably more looks with. So for all you guys and girls out there that would really like a palette that could create both really different daytime looks and also into the evening and different smoky kind of looks, and you love your autumnal kind of colours, then personally I think this palette takes the biscuit. Also, this little brush came in it as well, which I've been really enjoying. I think it's really good. This one to kind of blend, and then this one just for like the eyelids. Now, like I said, there's many different looks that you can create using this palette. However, I'm just going to show you my go-to glamorous kind of look. So now it's time to get up close and personal. Ooh. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this base colour over here. This is called Tempera. Now for this one, I'm going to use the Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, which it's just, for me, it's an all-rounder and it's good to blend in. So I literally just use this colour all over the eyelids. Next up, I'm going to take my Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush, and then next thing I'm going to go in using the colour Golden Ochre. Now this one, I'm just literally going to take it up into the crease. So as you can see, that creates just like a little definition in the eye. This colour is just good to start building it up. Now next up, I'm just going to use the brush that it came in, and I'm going to use the blending side. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous raspberry colour called Love Letter. This colour is just so ridiculously pretty. This look will be good for Valentine's Day. Now with this colour, I'm literally just going to take it just underneath the crease. I normally go for like the basic kind of browns and safe colours. However, I've really got into these kind of colours over the last year. Okay, so next up I'm going to take some burnt orange and a little bit of regular. I'm only going to get a little bit of this and even maybe a bit of raw sienna. And once again, I'm just going to start to blend that into the creasy areas. But I'm going to just start to take it a little bit lower. So as you can see, like they're starting to really blend together nicely. And this is where the scary bit comes in. I'm going to take a little bit of red ochre, burnt orange and regular. So I'm just going to take a little bit of these colours right here and I'm going to use them for my lid. And I'm going to also use the smaller end on this brush to do it. Now once again, I'm just going to take my crease brush and I'm going to go back in using the Love Letter colour. Oh, I just love this colour. It's like putting raspberries on your eyes. And once again, I'm just going to take this low and blend it all in. You could probably use Venetian red as well on here, because that's really pretty, but I have a thing for the Love Letter colour. So next up, I'm going to just take the other side of my little brush and I'm going to go in with the colour Primavera. And with this, I'm just going to use it in the corner of my eyes. And then just to finish off with a little bit more of a dramatic look, I'm going to take my crease brush and just gently dabbing it in all of the colours. So a little bit of burnt orange, a little bit of Love Letter, and even a bit of Prim. I'm just going to use that to highlight underneath my eye. Now I have to admit, it looks a little bit scary without any eyelashes or a little bit of mascara, so I'm just going to quickly do that for you now. So there you go, that is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also let me know down in the comments section below, what is your palette of the moment currently? Like I said, I just really love this palette. I love how pigmented it is. I love all the colours. Even though they're very autumnal and wintry kind of shades, which is perfect at the moment, I still feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this over the spring and the summer as well. They're just my go-to colours of the moment. I'm really liking it. I am starting to get the urge back to try new things, so if you would like to see like a haul or a first impressions kind of video, then do let me know also down in the comment section. Once again guys, I really hope you're all well and fine and dandy, and I will catch you next time with my next video. See you later everyone.